On the house.
On the house.
Thanks.
The drinks are on the house.
Why don't you kill an hour, Joe? On the house.
Hey, on the house!
Hey, thanks.
Grazie.
Bada bing.
Here, take what I owe you.
On the house.
Cheers.
Hey, can I use your phone? It's kind of important.
Sure. On the house, thanks.
Hey, have a drink. It's on the house. This is seawater.
Thank you so much for doing this, Joe. It's not about the money if we can maybe...
It's on the house.
Sticky rice pudding.
Well, we didn't order that.
It's on the house.
Oh, thanks. This one's on the house.
Thanks. What is it?
A buttery nipple.
On the house. Generous.
On the house. Thank you.
Thank you. It's very sweet of you. See you.
I'm also gonna need that extended warranty on it for the price of on the house.
That I can't do.
What about your tab? You owe me for the root beer.
Oh, Felix is gonna cover for me. Drinks on the house, everybody. Felix is paying. Ow!
And that's 3. Tell you what I'm gonna do. Just because I like seeing you hurt yourself, I'll give you 1 on the house.
I'm afraid I'm gonna have to leave you here, Eddie. But I really do want to do this again. So call me. And that's on the house.
On the house.